Hi, I'm Renee, hairstylist and makeup artist in Sydney. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap your hair up into a head wrap and make it look cool. It can suit anybody, you just need to know how to do it. There's many ways that you can learn how to do it. I'll just teach you a very simple way. Give it a go, it's fun. So wrapping it up gives you a really good excuse for it to look good and not have to do much work. Second thing is if your hair's dirty, it's amazing. It works wonders, people love it, you'll get compliments. So we're going to go with the Batiste dry shampoo first. So just spraying this into the roots, it's got a really nice scent as well, which covers up if you haven't washed your hair in a week, and it will make it feel like it's washed as well. So give it a nice shake. What you really want to achieve with a dry shampoo is spraying it at a really good distance, because the worst thing is that you can see any white remnants left from the spray. So give it a good shake and section your hair off and spray it about 30 centimeters away. And using your hands to work that in, just go through the next section. One thing I really do suggest though is when you do wash your hair, really focus on scrubbing your scalp, not just at the top area, all the way through the back and under the nape and around the ears, because I find that a lot of people miss those areas. So make sure you wash your hair properly twice. 2 shampoos is what I recommend in the roots, and then mid-lengths, so mid-lengths to ends with conditioner just once. Comb it through, you don't need to leave it in for long, then wash it out. That will give you fresh hair, but otherwise Batiste can help. So what we're going to do is just tip our head upside down and bring our hair into just a messy sort of high bun. No need for a brush because we want this to be a nice, quick, easy hairstyle, and it's more about the wrap. You don't have to have it in a high bun. Sometimes I like to have it in a low bun. Grabbing our headscarf. So I'm using a piece of fabric from Le Secteur. Oh, he's my husband. These are amazing. They look good on anybody. You can also just go a plain piece of fabric, whatever you prefer, but these go really well with plain clothing. So I'm just going to teach the regular way. So bring it underneath your nape and over your ears to begin with. And then just tie it off into a regular knot at the top of your head. Twice. Depending on how long your head wrap is, you may want to tie it twice, maybe put it in a bow. But basically when you tie it off, just play with the knot a little bit. So just kind of loosen the knot. These African fabrics are really great because you can actually play with them and they stay in their shape. So you don't have to have just a boring knot. You can give a little bit of volume to the shape. Just have a look with your own eye. Okay, I like that. It's not bad. That's not bad. Just play with the actual base of the headscarf. And from here you can either leave it as is, or you can slide it back a little bit, which actually gives you a little bit of a facelift too. I love that about it. So just showing a little bit of hair, I feel like it's a bit of a nicer look, but it depends on how you're feeling on the day. But there you have it, the head wrap. It also shows off your earlobe a bit, so if you do want to slip some earrings in, that could look quite nice as well. Ready to go. So I'm just going to show another quick version to do a head wrap. Let's just slip this guy out. I might just change my hair to a lower bun so you can see that as well. Some people may not want to wear their hair high, or sometimes like myself, I get that bruised feeling at the top of my head. So just take your hair out and just clip it up for just a moment. Now using the same head wrap, I'm just going to do it a different way. So this time, just sort of scrunch it up a little bit so it's not a straight line. I'm just going to place it over the peak of my hair and over my ears again, and just tying it up the same way at the back in a double knot. Just slide it back a little bit. Again, I love that facelift that it gives. So I really think it's nice to show just a little peak of hair coming through, a little bit for your earrings to come through. And I've just clipped my hair up, but what I'm going to do is leave it low. If you want a little bit of height in this area, you can just kind of back comb with just a fine tooth comb, and just really gentle, a couple of back combs, just separate it out, and then wrap it up. And instead of using an actual clip, we'll just go in with a couple of bobby pins. So keeping the bobby pin closed, pierce it into the hair in one direction and then keep it pressing down and flip it to the other direction. Another bobby pin, doing the same thing in a different section, pressing into the hair, one direction, flipping it to the other direction, pressing it in. A couple more of those. This will just hold the hair in place. And there you have it. Another way to wear your headscarf. Everybody can pull this off.